Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Libra at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Bago po tayo mag-umpisa, gusto ko po kayong batiin ng Happy New Year, Happy 2024, at naging masaya po sana at masagana ang inyong selebrasyon. At pinagdadasal ko rin po syempre na itong taon na to ay maging maganda po, yung punong-puno po ng blessings at of course abundance para po sa inyo. Okay, tignan natin kung ano yung message na makukuha natin itong January 2024 na reading. It is dark without you. I can't do this right now. I wish I could be fully honest with you. Kay Libra, ang nakikita ko dito is of course, yung person mo, no, hirap naman siya pag talagang wala ka sa piling niya. I think dumating yung punto na parang kailangang may mawala o umalis o may mag-ending. Yun yung nararamdaman ko dito. Siguro sa kadahilanan na hindi niya masabi openly kung ano yung gusto niyang sabihin. Nababalot ng takot na kapag nasabi niya ito sa'yo ng, alam mo yun, openly, syempre yung magiging end result nito ay yung hindi niya gusto o kinakatakutan niya na baka yun ang mangyari. Definitely ayaw niyang mawala ka sa kanyang buhay. Okay? So, kung meron man dapat na gawin siya o ipagtapat sa'yo, hindi niya magawa pa ngayon. Dahil nga nababalot ng takot ang kanyang nararamdaman. Takot na baka mawala ka. Okay? So, yun yung pinaka message dito. So, tignan natin kung ano yung makikita natin sa tarot. Libra. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, the Five of Swords, the Star, and the Queen of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the Fool. Libra, you know, you wanted to take that leap of faith kasi with the Fool card, this is an energy coming from an Aries. Or you might be dealing with an Aries. O meron siya nitong Aries sa kanyang chart. Ito yung energy na, sige, magte-take ako ng risk. Magbabaka sakali ako. Hindi ako takot. Susugod na ako at gagawin ko ito. Nang walang takot, na walang preparasyon, kundi more of yung silakbo ng aking damdamin. Kung ba, instantly na naramdaman ko na dapat, sige, gawin ko na. Parang out of the blue, bigla mo na lang gagawin. O biglang may mangyayari. Now, with the Four of Wands, this is something to do sa preparation towards a more solid foundation. Now, this is like going to the next level. Kung kayo mag-shota ngayon, ang next level natin, of course, is receiving that marriage proposal or giving that proposal for marriage. Okay? Ikaw yung either hihingi ng proposal o ikaw yung bibigyan ng marriage proposal. Okay? Take it as it resonates. And with the Three of Cups, of course, this is something to be celebrated about. No? Siyempre, kung may proposal, talagang magsi-celebrate kayo, no? To be happy among your friends and family. Kasi you're celebrating your relationship na mas pinapaalam nyo na sa madla, no? Sa mga taong importante sa inyong buhay na seryoso na kami sa isa't isa at handa na kaming pumasok sa marriage life. So it is really something na kung gaba parang out of the blue, no? Out of the blue, mangyayari yung proposal na yon. Hindi mo inaasahan. Okay? Which is maganda, no? I mean, talaga namang mostly ang marriage proposal na ginagawa natin sa ating mahal sa buhay ay something na talagang very surprising, no? It's a surprise. Something na walang idea yung person, no? I don't want to say babae lang kasi naman yung person, no? I'm being equal to both same-sex relationship na you could also get that marriage proposal. So, I'm referring it to your person na magpo-propose, di ba? Makaka-receive ng proposal for marriage. And that's really very beautiful, no? Kasi yung the fact na ito yung tao na na-meet mo, you get to know and to love, is now saying to you with all his or her heart and soul na talagang this time I'm serious. This time I know this is what I want to do for my future, for your future, and our future. Yung ganong dating ba? Kaya talagang napakasayang moment na makatanggap ka ng isang marriage proposal. Okay? Now, first card mo dito, Libra. The Eight of Pentacles is all about working. No? Working very hard. Working very hard to parang build up your resources, build up your money. Siyempre, kaya ka nag-work very hard is to earn more money. Diba? Yun ang purpose dun eh. And you work hard kasi gusto mong umangat sa trabaho, gusto mong tumaas yung posisyon. Why? Not because of you wanted more responsibilities, no? But it's really more of because you wanted to be paid more. Gusto mong mabayaran ka pa ng mas malaki. Kaya nagtatrabaho ka ng maigi o mabuti, o nagiging masipag ka talaga. No? Inilalabas mo yung galing sa pagtatrabaho. Minsan, itong card na to, sobrang focus mo dun sa trabaho na yun, to a point na nagiging priority mo talaga yung trabaho. To a point na nalilimutan mo na rin yung ibang bagay na importante. Which is example, yung personal life mo. No? It could be your love life, family life, no? You losing time with your children, yung mga ganon. So, titignan mo din kasi yung energy na to na yes, you wanted to earn more, which is a good thing, but you have to see also the other half of this energy na make sure that you are balanced, that you're balancing your time. Balancing your time with other important things in your life. Now, ano ba yung nagiging challenge or problem? With the Queen of Wands, I guess you are, very attractive person, Libra. And there's so much passion to what you're doing. Ito yung characteristics kasi ng isang Queen of Wands. No? Very passionate, very creative, attractive, fun to be with. No? Talagang pagdating dito sa pagtatrabaho is andun yung passion to really work and show yourself in management na you're very much capable of itong work na to, itong responsibility na to, o itong salary upgrade na ibibigay sa'yo. And ano nga yun kung gaba sabi ko nga sa'yo, kaya ka nagtatrabaho because you wanted to be challenged na itaas pa yung sweldo mo. Now, ano ba yung ginagawa mo? You been thinking and thinking very hard. Isip ka ng isip kung ano pang dapat mong gawin. Na para mas lumaki pa talaga yung kita mo. Maybe because nga the fact that there is this plan to get married, to settle down in the sa future. And of course, you know that you need a lot of money to start, to be able to get married, start a family. Pera ang kailangan dyan. Kaya ngayon pa lang, kung gaba, noong pa lang, hanggang ngayon, trabaho talaga ng trabaho. Ang gusto mo kasi is ma-fulfill o matupad, magkaroon ng katuparan yung dream, no? Yung pinapangarap. Lahat tayo meron tayong pangarap na alam mo yung ma-meet yung taong nararapat para sa atin, ma-in love of course sa tamang tao, and eventually get married, have a family, mabili natin yung bahay, yung dream house natin, everything that this life can provide, no? Magandang pangarap yun, magandang ipinagdarasal yun, at magandang yung i-wish. So yun ang intention mo, no? Very, very straightforward and very beautiful. Now, paano mo siya ma-acquire? Ano ba yung outcome dito natin sa reading? Is the Queen of Pentacles. Now, kung meron man reyna na magsasabi sa iyo kung paano lahat matutupad itong pangarap mo to, is this one. Because the Queen of Pentacles is somebody who is practical, stable, you'll feel secure, hardworking, intelligent, loyal, friendly, he knows how to balance yung kanyang time with the people that he or she loves. No? Siya yun. This is like saying na ito yung junior ni Emperor. Kung ba this queen or this energy knows exactly what to do to be successful. Kasi successful siya pagdating sa finances also, sa kanyang career, sa kanyang family life. No? She makes sure na lahat is in order. No, maayos lahat. And it's not easy kasi 'di ba, lalo na kung career woman ka bago ka mag-asawa. Alam mo 'yun, no? Na talagang yung oras mo natatapon doon. What more kung magdadagdag ka pa ng another responsibility, which is having a husband, and then eventually having a husband or a wife, and then eventually having children, 'di ba? So, yung pakiramdam ba na wow, ang dami ko ng responsibilidad araw-araw. And the good thing about this queen, hindi siya napapagod doon. This queen loves routine. yung paulit-ulit na gagawin sa araw-araw. Doon siya nagta-thrive, doon siya lalong gumagaling. Kasi nakokontrol niya yun eh. Alam niya kung anong gagawin niya araw-araw. Exactly as planned and has been, been thought about. Not like the other queens na talagang may kanya-kanya silang ginagawa. But this one, kaya nga, yung stability part nito is very, very good. Alam mo, Libra, such a straightforward card. No, kung titignan mo, wala kang ma-question eh, na mali. But what I'm concerned about is this upper message that we got earlier, which is something to do with honesty, na hindi niya magawa ngayon. Diba? Ano yun? Bakit siya lumabas? Anong relasyon niya dito? I wanted to know. Kaya tignan natin if there's something we can find to relate this one. Bakit andito yung 8 of Pentacles? We have the 3 of Wands, the King of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune. You're working very hard, Libra, because you're waiting for something to happen. May iniintay kang dumating. May iniintay kang mangyari. Ano yun? Dumating yung pag-ibig. Maybe at this time, when you were working, wala eh. Kasi nga, trabaho ka lang. Kasi wala pa siguro yung person mo. Yung taong mamahalin mo, hindi pa siya dumadating sa buhay mo. Kaya iniintay mo siya eh. Iniintay mo yung pagdating ng love of your life. Na sana, because pagdating ng love of your life, alam mong mababago na ito. Yung alam mong your life will change. It will turn around and it will change for the better. That is your belief. Yun ang paniniwala mo. Kaya kung trabaho ka lang ng trabaho noon, it's because you're waiting for that person to come into your life, to change everything in your life. And what are those changes? Yung mga dinidream mo na matupad na sana. Okay? Now, bakit andito yung Queen of Wands? We have the Death card. The first one is the Ten of Wands. We have the Death card and the Hermit. Yung energy na binibigay ng Queen of Wands, sabi ko nga sa inyo, is somebody who's very passionate, creative, beautiful, fun to be with, determined, yung mga ganong characteristics niya. And I guess it was a challenge for you. Kaya para sa'yo, tama na, no? You wanted a change with the Death card and the Ten of Wands. Kasi overburdening na eh. Yung, kung gaba parang nagsawa ka na siguro, hindi kasi madali maghintay. It's not easy to be waiting for that love to come. And it gave you time to think. No, na mag-isip. Mag-contemplate. Muni-muni. Kasi if you have this kind of energy, no, Libra, having that energy of that Queen of Wands, na talagang creative, passionate, determined, fun to be with, yung very exciting. Sometimes you find it na it's not an asset or plus for you. Kaya ang pakiramdam mo, I need to change, with the Death card. And that's keep you thinking, no? Pinag-iisipan mo mabuti yon. Na baka kailangan ko magbago. Or I need to do something para ma-attract ko yung right person in my life. Bakit andito yung Five of Swords? We have the Five of Cups, the Three of Cups, and the Two of Swords. Yung pinag-iisip-isip mo, no? Isip ka ng isip kung ano nang gagawin. What's the next thing to do? Are there other things that I need to do para nga makamit ko tong wini-wish ko? Kasi you've gone through a lot sa past to a point na nagre-regret ka. There was regret about maybe how you deal with people, deal with your friends, kung paano ka makapag labas-labas o outing-outing. Kasi nga, di ba si Queen of Wands is somebody who's very sociable. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, di ba, fun to be with. So, kung merong mga outing, party, ganyan, talagang ang sarap kasama, masayahin, okay, hindi KJ, no? Hindi corny. Game to. Kung gaba, kung sayaw-sayaw, kanta-kanta, toma-toma tayo, ganun. Marunong siyang sumabay sa takbo ng gulo, sa takbo ng ano yung gusto ng tropa o ng barkada. Siguro naisip niya, ngayon parang nagre-regret ako kasi bakit masyado kong, alam mo yun, yung talagang in-enjoy ko maigi yung moments na having drinks with my friends, going out with my friends, going out most of the time. And because of that, parang, did I make the right decision? Tama ba yung naging decision ko sa buhay ko na in-enjoy ko yon, na labas lang ako ng labas, hindi ako naging serious, in-enjoy ko yung every moment. Hindi naman siya masama, no? In my own personal opinion. Maybe, kaya mo lang kina-question to ngayon is because hindi pa dumadating yung King of Cups. Hindi pa dumadating yung love of your life. As if naramdaman mo na parang, nasayang ko ba yung panahon kasi hindi ako nag-focus sa love. Ang nag-focus ako is sa sarili ko, enjoying myself, enjoying with my friends. Yun yung iniisip mo na baka ito yon na kaya ngayon nagre-regret ako kasi instead na nabigyan ko ng panahon na ma-meet yung love of my life, hindi tuloy nangyari. Kasi mas binigyan ko ng time and attention yung tropa, yung barkada, yung grupo ko. Bakit andito yung Star? We have the Queen of Swords, the Knight of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. So yung wini-wish mo, di ba? Sinabi natin na yung magagandang wishes ng isang normal na tao, no? Whatever you wish are. Yun yung iniisip mo talaga, and that is what you wanted to tell people, no? Gusto mo, yun yung sinasabi mo, no? O yung naiisip mo in your thoughts na ito yun ito yung mga wini-wish ko talaga And I want all those good wishes to happen fast. Mabilis, dun sa right. Isipin, pag dumating yung right person na yun, nag-offer sa akin ng love, o nakita ko na yung right person na, o nag-offer ako ng love, no? Again, take it as it resonates. Gusto ko maging mabilis. Mabilis yung pangyayari. As if I couldn't wait anymore. Yung pag dumating na siya, nalaman ko, ito na, this is it, this is the person that I'll be with for the rest of my life. Gusto ko maging mabilis. Yung mangyayari sa amin dalawa. To make up for those lost time na na-enjoy ko sa aking grupo. Ngayon, kung na-meet ko siya bigla, then sa kanya ko naibibigay lahat itong attention na to. And I want, yung kung gaba parang, sige, labas tayo palagi, mas gawin natin ito often, mas mag-communicate tayo palagi, lumabas tayo palagi, do things together most of the time, or every day, mas madali kita makikilala, ganun ka din sa akin. And then eventually, hopefully we'll realize that we are truly meant for each other at gusto nating, get into marriage eventually. Kaya parang minamadali mo, gusto mong mangyari agad yun. Now, bakit andito yung Queen of Pentacles? Bakit andito yung Queen of Pentacles? We have the Six of Wands, the Ace of Wands, the Nine of Wands. Now, with the Queen of Pentacles, sabi ko nga, this energy is the right energy for you to accomplish everything that you wish for. Kasi, you'll be successful pagdating dito sa relationship na to. And with the Ace of Wands, it is truly a new beginning. Something very passionate for you. Something that you have waited for a long, long time to happen. Alam mo yun, ito yung matagal mo nang iniintay na mangyari sa'yo, Libra. Na talagang maging matagumpay, masaya, successful itong relationship na to. Something na talagang very passionate kayo pareho. Yung andun yung init ng pagmamahal sa isa't isa. Andun yung chemistry, 'di ba? Andun lahat yung tamang, sabi nga nila, tamang ingredients sa inyong dalawa para makabuo ng magandang relationship. Matagal mo to inintay. You waited for this to a point na minsan nga napapagod ka na, pero you keep standing up, 'di ba? Last man standing, tipong sige, hintay pa rin ako, hindi ako mawawala ng pag-asa. Mangyari lang ito. And I think it will happen. Okay? Now, hindi ko pa rin masagot yung bakit andito tong message na to dito. Iba kasi naging reading natin sa tarot compared to here. Now, I would say na this is another message from someone, another Libra, a group of Libra that needs to hear this. Okay, as I have explained it earlier. And this is another group na talagang, I think most of you would, maybe some or most of you would relate or resonate with. Kasi minsan po, si Angel would try to show something na it is very important for that particular zodiac sign to know yung message nila. Okay? So I guess that's why it is coming out. Maybe there is a Libra there that is going through these hard times. Sabi ko nga na hindi niya kaya na mawala yung person na yun sa kanya. Kaya hindi pa niya masabi fully kung ano yung dapat na ipagtapat niya with all honesty. Hindi pa siya niya kayang gawin ngayon. Okay? That is the message kung sino mang Libra yon. Now, ang gusto kong malaman is ano yung message pa na makukuha natin for Libra. Ano pa yung message? Ano pa yung message for Libra? First quarter moon in Virgo, assess the situation. Full moon in Aquarius, be real. Yeah, baka totoo ka. And last quarter moon in Sagittarius, practice gratitude. Now, tignan natin yung timing. Kailan mangyayari itong magiging wish fulfillment ni Libra. Yung time na makikilala niya na yung kanyang love of his or her life. Around March. Libra. Around March. Now, tingnan natin kung ano yung characteristics ng person mo na mamimit mo. Yung mamimit ni Libra. Slim. Loyal and faithful. Mahiyain. An air sign, just like you. Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Marunong sa pera. And also, possible earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. So, meron siyang earth at saka air sa kanyang chart. Okay? Diba? Sabi ko sa earth sign kasi dito, this is an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And you are the air sign. Okay? So, I hope na nakatulong ito sa'yo, Libra. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.